Hey, so the easiest way to get used to seeing yourself or hearing yourself on video is to just keep doing it and not really thinking about it. I know that sounds cliche, but the more that you do these videos, the less you'll really think about, oh, what do I look like, or what does my hair look like, or, any of that, because you'll get used to it and you'll find out what works best for you and, what you should do next or things like that. But like for me, how I got over it is, I wasn't ready to show myself on camera yet, so I just did voiceovers on videos and recorded my screen, or had my camera going the opposite way, and just got used to hearing my voice a little bit, before I got used to seeing myself on camera. And then to get over seeing myself on camera, I started doing live videos. I used to have a Facebook group, and it was a free Facebook group, and every week I challenged myself to go live. And I think for like 6 or 9 months, I went live every week inside that Facebook group. And I learned a lot. I learned, things not to do and things that work better, and different times of the day that work better for doing videos and things like that. And I learned a lot of things not to do. Like I used to sit on a medicine ball, like those big yoga balls. I sat on one of those, and I loved sitting on it because it was good for my posture and it was more comfortable than sitting in an office chair. And anyways, when I would record my videos, I would subconsciously bounce, so I'm like bouncing on the ball while I was doing the videos, and that is not ideal. You do not want to be bouncing up and down while you're doing a video. So yeah, don't do that. I also learned that all my neighbors wanted to cut down trees and do yard work and build houses and all these things. But, I could have easily said, oh, video's not for me. I'm not going to do it because of all those things. But I didn't let it get to me. I kept doing it. And most of those things that would happen actually helped me connect with other people. And because they would be like, oh yeah, every time I go to do a video, my neighbor plays loud music, or, something else happens. And so that was kind of comforting as well. The live videos, you can't edit them. So, like if your dog barks, or if your kid walks in, or if if you had something in your teeth, or, your hair sticking up, or all those kinds of things. On a live video, you can't edit those out. But, in pre-recorded videos, you can. So that's just other things to think about too. I used to edit out every time I said, or if I paused, or those kinds of things. But now I just leave them in, because it doesn't really matter. So really, when you're creating these videos, it doesn't matter what you're doing, or what you look like, or what you sound like. It really matters, what the value is in your video. Is it going to help somebody? Is the person watching your video going to get something from it? And that's really all that matters. So stop thinking about yourself when you're doing these videos, and think about the person that you're talking to. And I'm sorry that the light keeps going crazy. There's a window right there, and I'm just sitting on the couch. But anyways, yeah, so that's it. I hope you're having a good day. If you have any questions, just let me know. And if you have any like fun things that have happened in your videos that you want to share with me, like that you don't recommend other people to do, let me know that as well, and we can share it with more people. So yeah, talk to you soon. All right, thanks, bye. Question about how do I get used to my dog hates the UPS truck. I mean, hates it. I swear, it's like that truck drives by and he is like, I'm gonna get you, Mr. UPS man. It is crazy. Oh, see, like that. Oh my God.